Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out exactly who are subscribed to your YouTube channel. So let's start. First, open your Google account and log in into your YouTube channel. Once you open it, click on the right corner of your profile and then click on YouTube Studio. Now in the dashboard of your YouTube Studio, you can see like this. Now scroll down this page. You can only view it on PC, laptop. Click on recent subscriber and see all. Now you can see who can subscribe your channel. One more thing I want to tell you, only you can see those person who public their subscribers, so you can see all these. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.